Monetize your knowledge, the rise of online courses. The internet has revolutionized how we share and consume information. This is especially true for education. Online courses are booming. They offer a convenient, affordable way for people to learn new skills. For creators, online courses present a fantastic opportunity. You can monetize your knowledge. You can reach a global audience. Sharing your expertise through online courses benefits everyone. Students gain valuable skills. You gain a new income stream. It's a win-win situation. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate hobbyist, there's likely an audience eager to learn from you. The beauty of online courses lies in their flexibility. You can create courses on virtually any topic imaginable. Are you a photography enthusiast? Teach others how to capture stunning images? Are you a whiz at coding? Share your programming prowess with aspiring developers. The possibilities are limitless. Sharing is caring, the value of teaching what you know. Many people hesitate to share their expertise. They fear competition or feel they don't have enough knowledge. However, teaching what you know is incredibly valuable. It benefits both you and your students. When you teach, you solidify your understanding. You gain new perspectives. Teaching also helps you establish yourself as an authority in your field. It opens doors to new opportunities. You might attract clients, collaborators, or even speaking engagements. Remember, knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. By teaching others, you contribute to a world where everyone can learn and grow. Platform power, choosing the right home for your course. Once you've decided to create an online course, the next step is choosing the right platform. There are numerous options available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Popular platforms like Udemy and Skillshare offer vast marketplaces. This can help you reach a wider audience. However, these platforms often take a significant cut of your earnings. They also limit your control over pricing and marketing. If you prefer more autonomy, consider creating your own website or using a platform like Teachable or Thinkific. Consider your budget, technical skills, and marketing goals when making your decision. Don't be afraid to experiment with different platforms to find the best fit for you. Crafting your curriculum. A roadmap to student success. A well-designed curriculum is crucial for an effective online course. It's the roadmap that guides your students toward their learning goals. Start by clearly defining your target audience. What are their needs and expectations? What level of knowledge do they already possess? Break down your course into manageable modules. Each module should focus on a specific topic and include a mix of engaging content such as videos, quizzes, and assignments. Provide clear learning objectives for each module. This helps students understand what they'll gain from the course. Remember to incorporate opportunities for interaction and feedback. This could be through discussion forums, live Quanda sessions, or personalized feedback on assignments. Marketing your expertise. Attracting students to your course. Creating a high-quality course is only half the battle. You also need to market it effectively to attract students. Start by building an online presence. Create a website or landing page that showcases your expertise and the value of your course. Leverage social media to connect with your target audience. Share valuable content related to your course topic and engage with potential students. Consider offering a free introductory module or webinar to generate interest and showcase your teaching style. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build an email list and nurture relationships with potential students by providing valuable content and special offers. The future is learning embracing the e-learning revolution. The world of online education is constantly evolving. As technology advances and learning preferences change, it's essential to adapt and update your skills. Stay informed about the latest e-learning trends and technologies. Experiment with new teaching methods and tools to enhance your courses and keep your content fresh and engaging. Remember, the most successful online course creators are lifelong learners themselves. Embrace the journey of continuous improvement, and your students will reap the rewards. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and share your expertise with the world. You'll be amazed at the impact you can make and the income you can generate. The future of learning is online, and you can be a part of it.